Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this an issue with your phone's ability to use Face ID in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to set up your Face ID, you see an error that there's an issue with your Face ID or your phone's ability to use Face ID. So let's see some possible fixes. So it may happen whenever there's any issue with your phone's software or there's an issue with your Face ID physically. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings app here, go for general, go for software update, and you just have to try to make a software update. If you find any pending software update here, just try to update your software. Or if you're using beta updates, or I recommend you just have to try to disable beta updates and try to use the latest version of your iOS, which is there's in automatic update section. So once you updated your software, you just have to go back and just try to make a force restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. In order to do that, you have to quickly personalize your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to open your settings app again, go for general, here go for chance to reset iPhone, select reset all settings option here. So once I have reset all settings, if there will be any issue with your iPhone setting, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you have to check the in-depth camera of your iPhones or the Face ID physically, that is if it's damaged or not. So if it's not damaged but you're still facing the same issue after updating your iOS, so I recommend you have to downgrade your iOS to previous iOS version to fix that issue. Sometimes it might happen that these type issues comes with latest iOS or latest software version for any iPhone. So you must have to downgrade your iPhone, and after that you will not get the issue. Or the last thing or the final thing you can do, you have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support.web. Here you just have to open your iPhone, then select this more option. Look for Face ID option here, and here you just have to wait for this loading. Then select this get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to dial, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected to the Apple Store team member. And you can discuss about your issue and get optional help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.